If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to our SHIB video update. Now, I told you before, SHIB is looking for 622, and that's actually going to be a drop of nearly from there to there. We're talking about 24% move to the downside. Now, previously when I left you with the updates, we saw SHIB here, and I told you clearly, you do have this support level number 2 right there. Move to the upside, came down, swing down, break the support level, which was again this support, that support, and then you try to back test. You made a wick to the upside, liquidate people, came down, and you're still closing next to that particular level. Some people think that we potentially have a diamond bottom right here, and that's not a diamond bottom, by the way. Okay, especially this to me is more like a support, break to the downside, retest, failure, and then continue to the first target, which is going to be 748, and then maybe by the end of December you have 622 coming in, because once again the weekly is where we get the target for 622. All you did is you move to the downside, move sideways, make a flag here, break to the downside, and that's your target. And that's pretty much it for this update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.